Nice. So I've realized that it is very challenging for most of the accountants to import this CSV. Maybe because of one of the error, they have not included another column as value, and it is very challenging for them to prepare this CSV. And I don't want you to have such a lot of challenges. We have this CSV for the simplified and the normal one, which if you don't have the payroll, you just need to copy your data and paste in this CSV and it will work for you. So let's see it. So as you can see that I have two different P10, which you want to do the comparison of importing two different CSV. I have the first CSV for the normal one, and I have for the simplified. So if we open the CSV for the normal one, and also make sure that when you are downloading form from the iTax, know which one are you downloading. So if you can see the normal one, there is a lot of columns from column A all the way to column AI. So there's a lot of columns here. This is the normal one, which this is our CSV. So if I want to import this CSV, I make sure that first I close this data, then go to P10 return for the normal one, which is this one is for the normal one. Let's open. So if you don't get this message when you open these iTax forms, then it means that your macro is not working. So you must make sure to get this message. Click OK. And then our main focus is section B, where we want to import a CSV. So I'll just need to go to the import section here and make sure that that CSV is closed. So I will click import. Then I will go to where I've saved that CSV, not that one, in updated payroll. So I'm going for the normal CSV, which is this one, and then open. So you can see I've already imported my CSV with the data here. So if we go direct the final section here, you can see the comparison within of what the carrier has calculated for us and our assessment. It is the same. So which means the old CSV still work, or the old P10 still work. And also we have the two options in the iTax button. You can download, you can use any. The only challenge with this, you still need to import the housing levy in section M. Here, you still need to import that one. So we have seen the first one for normal, and you can see it is working, which I assure you, you can download our CSV in the comment section. I can save even this. Let's see another one. So let's see the normal for the simplified. Sorry, this is for the simplified. Let's open first to see for the simplified. Mine is still using the same data for the simplified. I've not put the name of the employees. That's why it is 0 here. But it will import, since it is 0, you can put the name of the employee, no problem. Because this section should be the name of the employee. You can even call ABC, or you can even put 0. There is no problem. So we will close this. Make sure that you put the correct name of your employees. This is the gross salary. And then no, if it is not for BW, that is the person with disabilities, you put no. If it is there, you put yes. And this is your pay, the self-assess. This is the personal relief. And Yes, we have all the data. So let's close and import. Make sure that you close this. So we will close, save it. Now, let's open the simplified P10, which is this one. You also need to get this message. So you need to put here no, so that you don't get other worksheets here for the person with disabilities or the gratitude, all that. So we'll go to section B and we try to import our CSV. So I'm going to import my CSV here. Select it in my folder, in my updated payroll. So you can download also our payroll in the description section. So I will import the simplified, which is this one. Click open. And you can see it is working. That's why 0 here should be the name of employees. So it should be the name of employees. So you can see everything also is working perfect for simplified. And you can see who have noticed if there is any difference with the pay calculated, it is the same values here for KRA and this one. The only good thing with this one is that you don't need to import housing levy. It is already captured here by auto-populated section. So now let me know in the comment section which one. We have seen the two difference. Kindly let me know in the comment section which one do you prefer. Do you prefer the old CSV or the simplified CSV? Me, I know which one I prefer. And if you want to get one of these, make sure that you have a payroll. For me to get all these, I have an automatic payroll, which once I put the data, the employee's name, it get for me these two data for the normal CSV and the simplified CSV. So I don't have to prepare it manually. Thereafter, I just need to copy and transfer to the new Excel, and then from there I will import. So don't struggle too much. Click that link which is down there and download both CSV and download the payroll. If you want to download the payroll, then you pay only 1,000. You get the payroll plus the CSV. If you want to get the CSV alone, you just pay 199 shillings, and then your files will be sent to your direct email, or you can get the link to download. Once you finish the payment, you can get the link to download. So thank you, and let's have a comment. Really, that comment will give me a motive. So I need your comment. Let me wait for